AI hits schools like a wave, but some teachers aren't waiting for the government. You know when a tsunami hits and no one even built a small wall? That's what happened with artificial intelligence. It entered schools uninvited and changed everything. Homework, exams, grades, and even the way we learn. And while government stays still, here in the United States, some teachers have to decide not to wait. They're organizing themselves, no decrees, no bureaucrats, not guidelines. They talk, they meet, they train each other. They've realized that teaching responsibly, which AI doesn't need a policy, it needs a community first. In a few months, the movement exploded here in the US. From dozens of thousands of teachers across hundreds of schools. They organize workshops, internal courses, open discussions. They share real experiences. How to use AI to write better, grade more fairly, and teach students to tell a human mind from an algorithm. And it's all bottom-up, no reform, no national plan, just the will of those who walk into classroom every day, knowing the point isn't to ban AI, but to understand it. Here's the truth, because technology moves fast and education can't lag behind. But the solution won't come from ministries. It's already coming from teachers themselves. They are writing the new handbook of digital education, one session at a time, one idea at a time. Because if technology automates, education humanizes. And in the middle of this storm, there are still teachers who don't just teach subjects, they teach awareness. AI isn't destroying schools, it's testing our collective intelligence. And this time, the lesson comes from teachers, not the state.